Okay, so yeah, welcome to today's market outlook. Yeah, so this is Nucleus FX. Yeah, this is my first market outlook for the year 2023, and we'll be doing a lot more. So let's review the past. Well, I say the past week. This will be a last year's trade. Yeah, which has still been running, and it reached our TP. Was it on Friday? So we entered this trade on 22nd, no, 28th of December. So it was actually a Christmas trade. So whilst people were spending their money, we were making money. I was making money. Yeah. So yeah, it is what it is. And this signal and all other signals were shared for free in my Telegram channel. Link will be in the description. And this is a trade I shared in my Telegram channel at its infancy, and now it's this is the last update I gave. And yeah, I don't only give um, market setups. I also post psychological tips, anything that will benefit you as a trader. Yeah, I put it there. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and even follow the channel on Telegram too, so that you'll be able to get all this blockbuster setup. So far we are in blues, and I've closed it because Charlie, it has read TP already, so there is no need. So our setups for this week are Euro USD, Euro CHF, Euro CAD, Gold, and CHF JPY, and they are all swing and chill setups, which means that you set and then you forget.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need so much trades, you don't need to stress to make money. So yeah, so these are the trades. So let me go and find them. So let's do the first one. Let me remove all this. So the first one is Euro USD. So let's analyze Euro USD. What is Euro USD? Yeah. So Euro USD, the beginning of the year is always messy. So yeah, so this trade, I didn't take it. I just analyzed it, but I just watched it. And yeah, so what did we say we are looking for? We are looking for a buy. So let's see. Yeah, this setup was also shared in the group for 435 pips. Yeah, you might be shocked, but it's a normal thing in our group. My students see it live. We call it live. This is no fugazi or what. So yeah, so it's a normal thing. 100 pips, those things. Yeah, it's a normal thing. So this one, yeah, this one hit our stop loss and later went in our direction. And then this one. So let me take this one out because it's the beginning of the year, the first trade, and this week was actually the first week. If you are looking at it from the trading point of view, this is the first week, and the first week of every month is crappy. So normally the first month of every year, the first day of every week, the first month, have I mixed anything? The first year, okay, no, we don't do year. The first day, the first week, the first month, they are normally messing because the algorithm is still they are still deliberating about what the agenda for the day or even for the next quarter. So normally price will just be messing with you. So I didn't actually take that price actions. I was just watching it. So we are buying UUSD. So looking at this, let me get this out of the way. We have this. Let me see. Let's see hours. What's going on? Since my trading view is messing with me, let me reload. Yeah, so okay, so let me see. Let's go back to our Euro USD. Yeah, so let me add it. Euro USD, where is it? Yeah, so it's a grade A setup. So a grade A setup is a setup with the highest probability. So this is it. So our trade plan, even as students, everybody know, it's very simple. So we are looking at this other block. Let me remove this. This other block here. We are waiting for price to get to this other block. And we know that the higher the time frame, the stronger the other block. So what we are waiting for is for price to get into this other block, either this one or an area around this side, because this on the higher time frame is another block. If you go to the weekly, it's another block on the higher time frame. So anything around here and even here will be best for taking entries. So we'll be watching out for this area. And let's go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour to looking at this, we will look at this thing I don't like. So we also look at this area, and this area also aligns with the fair value gap, and the main purpose of the algorithm is to balance price, is to make the marketplace a fair place for everyone, for both buyers and sellers. So since there has been a fair value gap and imbalance here, in which the buyers had advantage, the algorithm will come to rebalance it in order for the sellers to also have an opportunity. So we also look at this side, this area here, our point of interest, to take our buys from here. So we would wait for Monday's price action, and then we enter normally on Tuesday. So this is the analysis for USD. So we are just looking at these places for price to get to these places, and then we take our entry. See, that's how simple it is. Your trade plan has to be as simple. It should be so simple that it can fit into a complementary card. So
Okay.
that's how we do it. So we are going to Euro CHF, which is also a buy. So let me go. Okay, wait, before, let me publish this. I think I'll publish this on trading view. So this is Euro USD long setup. So yeah, we are looking to let me see. So it's what actually is it? Well, it's actually beyond technical analysis.
Yeah, boy.
And ICT, it's ICT, and it has other blocks. So I will be looking to take a buy entry at the order blocks highlighted on, let me see here, on Euro USD. Yeah, so that's it. Public, yeah, I think ICT setup, ICT trader. Yes, I am an ICT trader, and I have simplified its concepts. So the one thing about ICT is that he gives you a toolbox, and it's from that toolbox that you create your own trading model. That's why it's normally difficult on the part of many people, because for you to create your own trading model is very hard. And this also is discretionary trading. Discretionary trading is you using your own bias to trade the market. Yeah, so let's go to Euro CHF. So where am I? Wait, which is which? Okay, let me close one. So let's go to Euro CHF. And mind you, normally the way how do I say it might look very easy at first, but it's because I have a lot of experience in the market. That's why I use 5 minutes to do this analysis, because of experience. So experience will cut your curve in your analysis time, or whatever they call it. Yeah, so for you to also cut your learning curve, it's either you get a mentor or you go the hard way. You go into the jungle and wrestle with the predators of the forex market. But if you want to cut the learning curve, the best thing is for you to get a mentor. And I also offer mentorship. Yeah, so you can DM me on Instagram at samagla, and we can get it going from there. Or you can also check the pin message. The pin message has my details and everything. So you just click on this, and then you DM me, and yeah, I'll take you through. Yeah, so the trading plan doesn't have to be complicated. Yeah, so let's do this. So same thing for here. We are also looking at the order block, and we'll be looking at this order block, because on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, this is another block. That's what I have highlighted here. And on another higher time frame, this is also another block on the monthly. So yeah, so it's complicated than you think. Other blocks concept is much more complicated than you think. So I think this, when was this? Okay, this was November. Yeah, it took some losses there. Okay, so Euro CHF. So we are looking, as I said earlier, the algorithm was set in place to provide a fair marketplace for both buyers and sellers. And in this instance, buyers had an unfair advantage over the sellers. So price would have to come here. We are looking for price to come here to even hit this order block and then take us to heaven. And oh yeah, I forgot on USD. Yeah, I forgot to set a target. So yeah, so I'll be taking a long here. Yeah, normally Our stop losses are very big because it's a swing. So you should bear with me. I know there will be some people who will cut my head that why are you using this? Why are you using this big stop loss? But yeah, it is what it is. That's how my trading model is. But that does not mean we just enter around this site. It's just an alert for me. So even here, if you want your stop loss to be smaller, you can even enter in this other block here. So you just shift your stop, your entry, and then, but I only place it there for price to come, and based on what I see, I'll take the trade. So this is a one-to-one, doesn't make sense, so we remove this one. Okay, there's a fair value gap here, so I think we'll be targeting it for a cool 400,397 pips. Yeah, so I think, yeah, so at least a 1:2 is not bad. So we are risking 100 pips for 300 pips. Yeah, so I think this is okay. And yeah, and it's not every day. Sometimes our stop losses are smaller, but if you're a swing trader, you would understand. So let's go back to CHF, Euro CHF. Uh, where is Euro CHF? So yeah, so the daily, we finalized it. And where is our target? Yeah, our target is rebalancing this imbalance, this fair value gap. So we go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, so even at the daily, this is where the area that we are looking at. And as we know, the algorithm is set in place to make the market a fair place. So it will come to balance this imbalance here because buyers had an unfair advantage at this time. So they have to come back to balance it. So we are waiting for price to come to either balance this fair value gap and then move up. So we are expecting it, we are expecting it to come here and then move up. So that's what we are waiting for. And also I'll be looking at this area. This will be my point of interest. So let me go to the 1 hour. And yeah, so this is where I'll be waiting for price. So in trading, you don't have to be predictive, you have to be reactive. So it's based on what the market gives you that you react. Yeah, so where is our target? Our target is this fair value gap. Okay, since this one it failed this, so we are looking for the algorithm to move upwards to this other block. Yeah, it might look weird, but that's how I trade. It's normal. 400 pips is normal, so don't be scared. So yeah, so I think probably this might take probably a month or something, but yeah, would. So it's 1:5, but I don't look at risk to reward. I only look at the stop loss. Or so yeah, so I'm just waiting for price to get into this place, and then I wait and look for my entry criteria, and then I enter. So we are done for Euro CHF. So let's go to the other one. So we are going to Euro card. Let me see Euro card. And yeah, let me add it. Oh, okay. UCHF. I think I have to publish this one too. So let's publish it together. So this is Euro card long setup. So I will be waiting for price at the highlighted order block. Yeah. So it's a long, it's beyond technical analysis, as you all know. And then ICT, it also involves order block. They are still students of the game. And then ICT concepts. And yeah, I think this is okay. So let's publish this one. And it's gone. Yeah, so I'm waiting for price to get there. So let's go to Eurocard. So the same thing. Go to the daily, and then so I was waiting for price to get to this place, but I didn't get to this place, and it was kind of daily dying somehow. But I'm still looking for it to come to this place, so I'll still watch out for it when it gets here. Also on the 4 hour, let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this price action is actually kind of messy, but I'm waiting for price to get to this place. If price is able to get to this point of interest, then I'll be interested in taking a long entry. So I set this one on 15 December, but it didn't get to my point of interest, so I'm still waiting for it. If it doesn't come, we move. If it comes to, we engage. So we are done with Euro card. I think yeah. Yeah. So let's go to gold. Almighty gold. Yeah, so we are already in a nice fire setup here. And I don't know, I'm still, so since it's a buy, we'll just wait. I'll be looking to enter at least here. If it's able to get to this place, I would like to enter here. And then yeah, I think these two places. And but I'm satisfied with this, so I might not engage. But so for this, the stop loss. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. Or let's go to 4 hour first. Let's see. So on the 4 hour, there's another block here. So I'll enter on that other block, and then so that our stop loss will be a little bit sensible. Okay, so yeah, this is one entry and this is one. Just that this one will be on the aggressive side, so it means you would have to, if you are able to swallow all this drawdown, then yeah, but the risk to reward doesn't make sense, so I don't think I'll enter that one. So you are still aiming for the fair value gap here, so you are waiting for the algorithm to do what it does best. So the best place I would like to enter is this side. So I'll be waiting for price to retrace and then we engage. So I think the past week has become this week. And then what's the last one? CHF cell. So let's go to CHF JPY. Yeah. So where is it? Yeah. So this CHF JPY. Let's go to the daily. We are selling, so I'll be looking to enter probably around this area, around this other block here. On the weekly, it's another block, so yeah, it is what it is. So this advanced order block theory, so it's only available to my students in the mentorship. So if you are interested in the mentorship, you can still DM me, or you can even comment on this video. I read all the comments, so you can still. So on the daily, this is our daily order block, and I'm looking to enter a sell here. So I'm waiting. So I'll be looking for price to retrace to this place, either inside here or here, for a quick 1:3, 1:2. Yeah, I think, yeah. So one thing about swing is that the stop losses should not scare you, because you can either use a lower lot size or a higher lot size. If you use a higher or a lower lot size, you still make money. So yeah, so don't be scared of the stop losses. A stop loss has to be placed at a place that you know that you'll be wrong. So I know that I'll be wrong if price is able to get here. So I think we are done. So this is our swing and chill setups for the week, and please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notification, so that you would have an alert when I post any video. And I'll not only be posting setups, I would be doing probably live streams if I have the time, and more psychological videos, tips, anything that will benefit you as a trader. Yeah, we would be doing them. So yeah, so if you want a smaller stop loss, you just go to the smaller time frames and then take it. But I normally like the higher time frames because they are much more stronger, so that's why I take them. So this is your guy, your sniper, your sniper. Yeah, I am the guy that they call to take down a sniper. So that should tell you the amount of precision that we work with, or I work with in my trading. So it's high precision target. We are not just shooting in the dark, but we are aiming for precise entries with less drawdown and with precise TPs, which would assuredly be hit. So subscribe, turn on notification, join our channel on Telegram. The link will be in the bio, and adios. Yeah, till next time. See you. I'll see you when I see you, but make sure your MT4 is blue. So we out.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped? Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way.